In this video, I will show you how to draw a zebra. The first thing we're going to do is draw the body of the zebra. Now we're going to draw the zebra's legs. We're going to draw the zebra's hooves too. Okay, so we finished drawing the zebra's legs and hooves, so now we're going to finish the rest of the body. So we finished drawing the body of the zebra, now we're going to start on the neck and head. So we finished drawing the head, so now we're going to add depth to the ears and the rest of the head. Now we're going to draw the zebra's mouth. Now that we finished the mouth and nose, we're going to start drawing the zebra's eyes. Okay, now we're going to start on the zebra's mane. Now I'm going to start drawing stripes on the zebra's face and the rest of the body. Now we're going to start drawing the zebra's tail. Now that we finished most of the zebra, we're going to start drawing the stripes. You can draw the stripes in any pattern or direction you want because all zebras have different stripes. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more how to draw videos like this. I will be uploading at least one a week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.